Hello, my fellow eggheads. This is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to be discussing how to connect your headphones by Bluetooth to your either desktop or laptop computer. Some people find they're really easy to connect to your cell phone or different devices, but when it comes to your computer, it can be a little bit challenging if you're not familiar how to do it. But it's really simple, so we're going to go over the steps right now.
First of all, you're going to go down to your Windows 10 search bar. Or if you have Windows 8, it would be the search bar that pulls out here. Windows 7, you would click on your start bar and use the search field there. You're going to type in Bluetooth. So we're going to go to your Bluetooth settings. And see, it pops right up there. I hit Bluetooth and other device settings.
While that opens up, I'm going to prepare my device for pairing. I'm using AirPods, but each obviously Bluetooth device is different. Some are always ready for pairing, some you have to activate with a button. If you're not quite sure how yours works, look up your make and model. Go ahead and Google it, get it ready for pairing, and now we're going to show you what to do on the computer end.
So our AirPods are open and ready for pairing. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to click on that Add Bluetooth or Other Device button. And then we're going to select the Bluetooth option. And it's going to look for a while. Sometimes it searches for a real long time. MK's AirPods, that's what I'm looking for. I'm going to double click on that. It's going to start connecting. And there you go, your device is ready to go.
Thanks for watching our video. If you found it in any way helpful, please like and share. If you like do-it-yourself computer repair videos, then go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, or you think of a great video you'd like to see from us, go ahead and leave your comments and messages down below, and one of our certified technicians will get back to you. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.